Hey guys, welcome back to Sabers Forever. I'm John, and Christmas came early. I got a present from a really good friend of mine, Mark Does the Things. You've probably seen him on Instagram, or me promoting him on Instagram. He went above and beyond. You should pause this and go down to the comments and, like, what do you think this is? I mean, do you think it's a lightsaber? I don't think it's a lightsaber. So if it's not a lightsaber, what did he send me? Let's just jump in and we'll find out. Alright, so have you placed your bets yet? If you didn't, now's your chance to pause and go put your guesses in the comment. I already know what it is, so I wouldn't consider this a reaction video. Mark just could not wait to tell me, and rightfully so. So without further ado, let's jump in. It's upside down. Oh man. All right. So, big shout out to Mark, because he knows how badly I wanted one of these. This is the Hot Toys The Child, or Grogu. I was totally blown away when he called and was like, "You're never going to believe it." And I was like, trying to guess, and no way I would have ever guessed this. I would have been like, "You won the lottery?" And he'd been like, "Nope, try again." So, yeah. Let's throw all this stuff on the floor. Man, alright, this box is cool too. Wow. I'm a little speechless, to be honest. This thing is really big. I mean, look, here's a lightsaber. So let's see what we got. All right, so turn this over on its side. Ooh, we've got the pram. That's cool. Looks like the pram that he's in. And then the back, life-size masterpiece. Awesome. Love that. So let's take this off. Put that nicely to the side. Oh man. So cool. Are we ready for this? Oh, man. Wow. Okay, so I'm going to pull this up. And sorry I don't have that much room, but this guy is very big anyway, so alright. Pulling this out of the pram. Hit the camera while I'm at it. And you can see the box is actually really well made. It's very thick cardboard. Really, really nice. Alright, put this to the side. Wow. I mean, wow. Is there tape? There's no tape? Okay. Oh, the detail in the eyes. Oops, sorry. Dropped the top out of excitement. The detail in the eyes is unbelievable. Oh, there's a bottom on here too. Okay, pick this guy up. All right, so what do we have? We've got Grogu. Cool. Ooh, his skin is like rubbery. The ears are hard plastic. Hands are hard plastic. This is so cool. The mouth. Okay. So then we have over here additional ears. I guess they're going to be in a different position. I'll deal with all this in a little bit. The stand, additional hands. Ooh, we get his little the control knob from Mandalorian's ship. Somebody tell me in the comments what it's called. I'm drawing a blank right now. This is too cool. Awesome. All right, and then we have the little Mando necklace that Jin gave him. Put this over here. Let's take Grogu out, because that's really what we want to see, right? Oh, I would like to see the child. Wow. All right, let's look at this. Get this focused. Look at that. Unreal. Oop, there goes his arm. Just like Luke. And he's got little furry hairs. That's awesome. His cheeks are nice and rosy. Wow. Mark, thank you. Holy cow. I can't even believe it. Let's see. What's he look like under here? Ah, he's got a black diaper. Okay. Let's see. It's buttoned on right here. And then the legs can move. That's fun. And he's got his little spot to stick the stick that goes up his butt to hold him on the stand. So when he's just standing there, he's actually standing. Man. All right. Let's unpack some other stuff. All right. So we've got an open hand. I guess like he's going to be casting the Force. That's pretty neat. And you can see here the detail is just super nice. I mean, he's got the pink in his palm, and then the back of his hand actually has some freckling, which is really nice. The nails are nice and dirty, not well kept. And then the shifter knob. Alright, so this is plastic. This is plastic. Got a nice detail of the threading. That's not even like... I wonder if... It looks like it could thread onto something, but it's plastic, so they didn't really thread it. It's just a mold. So this has like the little indent in his hand, and you can just doop. Pretty good. All right, what else do we got? Doop, 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 doop. All right, okay, this is plastic too. This is not metal. It looks like metal, but not metal. Plastic. You can see the seams right here. But that's all right. Still looks good. This is leather, or at least faux leather. All right, pretty cool. And then we have his stand. And it says the child on it. Nice, great bottom. There is something here. I don't know what that is. What is that? What is this? Okay. Well, I opened it up, and it turns out there's 3 AAA battery slots. What does it do? Let's find out. 1, 2, 3. It does nothing. They have a battery compartment with no battery contacts. I guess this was going to lead to lights. Well, guess what? John's going to have to light it up, isn't he? All right. Challenge accepted. And then this is the shaft that goes up poor Grogu's butt. All right. Alright guys, that does it for this video. I hope you enjoyed watching this presentation of Grogu, even though it wasn't a real review video for him. If you have any other questions or you want to see anything specifically that I forgot to go over, just ask in the comments and I'll highlight it in another video. Special thank you to Mark Does the Things. Dude, you nailed it. This gift is just, oh my god, I can't. What am I supposed to say? Other than keep an eye out in your mail for, something really awesome coming. But I'm really excited to be able to present videos next to Grogu. Hopefully he'll show off some sabers and some still frames. And, that's pending I can find a place that's big enough, because 1-to-1, he's really big. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and until the next time, may the Force be with you.